The thing that validates these awards are the statistics, the metrics. We see these individuals give it all day in, day out. We see them working out hard, getting results. But when we look at the scoreboard and we're down by 21 points, we don't look at the metrics. We don't look at the statistics. It doesn't matter how many yards per carry, interceptions, receptions, touchdowns. What matters is the players on our team that are conditioned to win. And you know what I am talking about. When the chips are down, you look over at the bench and you see that athlete, that person you know could make a difference. We saw the Jet do it. I see Eric Crouch. I know he did it. But they make the improbable happen. They do it because they are leaders. And I want you to think back to the first time in your life when you experienced true leadership. They brought you hope, trust, and confidence. You knew you could count on them. They were proven. And even though they failed from time to time, you always knew that they would get back up and give everything they had to protect the team. The Berry Law is proud to honor the Jet Foundation Veteran Scholarship because amongst us are those who raised their hand to serve, who did not freeze, who did not quit, and who protect the very freedom that we're enjoying tonight. I think back to some of the greats that have transitioned. Perhaps some people here, I know Danny Woodhead spoke last year, so Tom Brady. But, Tom Brady was conditioned to win. But he couldn't win after he left the NFL. He needed education. He needed training. He needed a new skill set to move on to the next thing. That's what our veterans need. And that's why this scholarship is so important. And that's why it's important that we continue to support our veterans. They are conditioned to win. They're our greatest resource. And by giving them this opportunity, not only will we build stronger communities, but we will build an even greater country because of those men and women who are conditioned to win, who volunteered to be conditioned to win, who know what it's like to fail, who know what it's like to suffer, but most importantly, know what it's like to do the improbable and have no doubt every time they put on the uniform that they can do it. They've taken off the uniform, and I encourage you to do two things. Number one, hire them. Hire real leaders in your company. Real leaders, people who are battle-tested. Give them a chance. And number two, support their further education. These are conditioned winners. I think the message on the ticket says, what does it say? No, not that. We want great returns, and there is no greater return than investing in America's heroes. Please do that by offering them jobs and by supporting the Jet Foundation. Thank you.